How to get Google Voice number outside the US. First, you have to download a VPN which have USA server to connect. Then open Chrome and go to incognito mode. Then go to Google Voice website. From here, we need to sign in with our account. Click on Create Account. Enter your first name, last name. Then create your email here. Click on Next. And set up password here. To verify number, go to this website. And you can verify your number from here. Now a 6-digit verification code will be sent right here. Enter that code. There we go. We now get the message, "Welcome to Google Voice." Click on Continue. Now select the city or area, where's number you want. Now we need to verify this because it says to complete setup and start Google using Google Voice you need to verify your existing phone number. Now again go to this website. And search Google Voice. Then enter your code here and click Verify. That's it. Thanks for watching.